We used to have floor-standing sinks. The gaps at the bottom harbor dirt. The space above is wasted. Floor-standing toilet. Rubber ring is prone to mold. Shower area niche takes up too much space. Showers are also easily covered with scale. Water stains on shower doors are also difficult to clean. Try this, use a sink as a wall rug. Second, customized suspended wash basins. The bottom is suspended. Third, pre-buried toilet water tank in advance. Install suspended toilet with high-pressure water gun. Easy to clean. Remember to reserve an access hatch.
Fourth, make a normal mirror cabinet above.
Storage space doubled. 5. The concealed shower head in the shower area is high-end and easy to maintain. Then sink the ground for centimeters. 6. Build a wall in the middle to make a double-sided niche. Put a paper towel basket outside. Put bath supplies inside. Install single fan ceiling rail. The door can be opened to hide behind the wall.